So here we have the RE80X, the big little water blaster. So we've just finished off cleaning the tractor and the car, and it performed really well. An all new low retail price at $259. It makes it exceptional value for money, and it comes with everything you could possibly need. Compact, lightweight, only 7 kgs, really easy to carry and to store. Everything, as you can see, packs away neatly on the machine. It comes with the rotary nozzle or turbo nozzle, and it comes with just a normal fan jet or fan spray nozzle as well. Also included is the detergent bottle for foaming or wetting down detergents, etc. 6 meter nylon braided or textile braided hose, so it's a good strong hose. Water connection at the back here, as we can see. We have the extension and then the nozzle of choice. So yeah, and I really like the way that it just neatly packs away. Really excellent for storage, and given that it's only 7 kg, super lightweight. Aluminium head pump, so no silly plastic parts inside there. Good quality little pump. It puts out 100 bar of working pressure and about 5.8 litres a minute of realistic working water throughput. So it actually has excellent performance as well for its compact size and nature. It really did a fantastic job with working on any of the stuff that I was cleaning, and yeah, I can highly recommend it.